Are you struggling with achieving black on your buttercream? If you are, this video is for you. Hello, my name is Kani. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am a cake decorator. So what are we making today? Today we are going to be making black buttercream icing. So I know that a lot of people struggling with getting black. I myself have struggled for quite a while. I would always get gray first and then really struggle before getting black. So today I will show you two products that I use to achieve my pitch black color on my icing. Alright, let's get started.
Alright, so let's get started. As you can see here, I've got the super black color. This is from Flora brand. Next, I've got my Rolkem black powder. You'll see it's the concentrated poncho black. I have added these in the description box for you and a picture for you to see the products. So first going to start by throwing in, once again, like the super red, throw in a generous amount of the black gel color, and then we're going to go in with the Rolkem powder. So you want to pour in, I think I usually use about a quarter of the container. You'll see it's not a big container, so I didn't pour a lot of it because I want to first see how this black color will turn out. All right, so then you switch on your mixer, and as you can see, instead of it turning gray first, it's actually already starting to turn a bit black. Now take note that the ring light actually just like makes the black color look a bit gray. So over here I did put in more super black gel. I will switch off the ring light so that you guys can actually see how black this cream is, because the ring light does sort of not make it as pitch black that I said it would be, but stick around. So here I am just mixing it, and at this point I was very happy with how black it turned out. And this was really super quick, guys. Can you see? Now my buttercream is black, and there I am switching off the ring light so you can actually see how black this cream is. Here I switch on the ring light again, and then poof, off again. So you see, this is just to show you how black that is.
Alright, so there you have it. So as you've seen, I've shown you how this black icing looks when I've switched off the ring light, because when the ring light is on, it does look a bit light and a bit grayish, but I did switch off the ring light for the purposes to show you how black it actually looks. Alright, so here is our black icing. You saw the two products that I've used. No boiling water, no leaving it to sit in the refrigerator, because if we're being honest, if you have an order, you don't have time to go and put your buttercream in the fridge so that it turns black in about an hour or two. Alright, so thank you so much for watching today's video. Comment and like if you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.